Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an eggless coffee chiffon cake. It is melt in the mouth, extravagant and just out of this world and very easy to make. So let's get started. For the eggless coffee chiffon cake, we will be using flour, corn flour, sugar, baking powder, vanilla essence, oil, buttermilk, instant coffee and water. To the flour, I will add the corn flour, the baking powder and just mix this around till it is well mixed in the flour. In the water, I will put the coffee powder, mix this and keep this aside till we beat this up. In a bowl, I will take the buttermilk, to which I will add the sugar, the vanilla essence and the oil. Once I've done this, I will start mixing this up till the sugar has dissolved. Once the sugar has dissolved, to this I will add the flour and mix this and keep it aside. We'll mix it well so that we have no lumps in this batter. I have taken the coffee which we had dissolved in the water and using an electric beater, we will start beating it up. Once the coffee has been beaten up like a meringue, I will take this and I will gently fold it into the cake batter. So to the batter, I will add half of the coffee foam and gently incorporate. Don't do it very rigorously or you will lose the aeration that will come with this coffee. I will add the balance of the coffee foam and again incorporate this. Once it is well mixed, I will take a tin which I have greased and lined and I will pour this batter inside the tin. Now this cake is ready to go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. It's super moist and it's, the knife is sliding like it's butter. Oh, can you see the smoke? And just see how soft it is. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।